Max 3 will be powered by Snapdragon 635 according to rumors. The phone will have a 6.99-inch FHD Plus display with 2160 by 1080 pixels resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. It will have a 12MP rear camera and a 5MP front-facing camera for clicking selfies. The Mi Max 3 will run on Android Nougat with MIUI 9 on top. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is rumored to be launched in June 2018 and is expected to run on Android 8 OS. The smartphone is expected to be made available in two color options, that is gold, matte black, and will have a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature, along with a host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi Bluetooth capabilities. The phone will come with 64GB, 128GB of internal storage. As far as the specifications are concerned, the smartphone is tipped to be powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 635 processor. A 3GB, 4GB of RAM will help phone run smoothly even the most memory-intensive applications without showing any signs of lag. The internal storage is expected to be expandable to 256GB via a microSD card. The phone in all probability will come with a powerful 5500 mAh battery to support its 6.99-inch screen with IPS LCD display having a resolution of 1080 by 2160 at 345 pixels. The screen is expected to be protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is speculated to boast of dual primary camera of 12 plus 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel front camera. It will support face detection and high dynamic range HDR imaging as well.